redfish right there. Fish on. Oh man, nice redfish. Woo, look at that tail. You know where I caught him? Right there in front of that bird that's feeding. So definitely, look at this, good sized redfish. It's definitely a slot. Man, the wind's terrible right now. So I'm trying to get up underneath the kayak. Stay out from underneath the kayak. There you go. Wow. This is a monster red. Whew, I think it's over slot. Look at how big this thing is. I'm gonna have to let her play out. Wow. Nice hook set in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Oh yeah. Alrighty. 26 1/4. Have to zoom back this way to get her all in. Look at that fish. She is nice. A beautiful redfish. 26 1/4. She is going back into the water. Yep. And she is off and running. Awesome.